Hey, what's up YouTube? Olsenbro back with another review. And those who have followed my channel know that one of the first videos I ever did was a Loopy case for my old iPhone 7 Plus, I believe. Well, I recently purchased the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is a large phone, and when I first got it, I did not have a Loopy case for it. So I bought a cheap case over at Walmart, and man, it was a pain in the rear end to not have that Loopy case, which I was taking it for granted for so long. I thought, oh cool, maybe I'll be able to use this new MagSafe magnetic back. I don't think the pros of the MagSafe connectivity outweighs the security of the Loopy case. So I was super happy when Loopy sent me out not one, but two of their new cases. Looking on their website, I kind of was wondering if there was any guy colors, masculine colors, because they tend to seem like they are for female audiences, if I'm not mistaken. They have some floral patterns, they have all these different kinds of colors. But there were two that I thought maybe would work for me, and I think they're awesome actually. The first one is the clear matte case. This clear matte case, it comes just like this, and I'll have some close-up video of me unboxing it. But man, this thing is so cool. It actually looks so good on my phone that I bought a matching clear, what is this called? A clear iWatch band that kind of goes with it. This is not from Loopy, but you know, thought it looked so cool. I'm really happy with the way this case looks, especially when you change out the loops for the different colors. And then the second one they sent me, which is equally awesome, in fact, I might even like it better now, is this sandstone color. This one looks really cool, especially I think with the blue Loopy, the dark navy blue Loopy. This thing is awesome. It looks really cool on the phone. So anyway, you'll see some close-ups in the video of me unboxing it. It looks really sweet, and it is just so, the convenience of having that loop is so much better than any other alternative out there. It just doesn't make sense to switch cases for me. I've tried so many different cases over the years, and I always come back to the loop just because of the convenience of being able to hold it securely, be able to reach around on these large iPhones and just not drop it. I can just grab it and still use my hands, both hands at the same time. It's just so convenient. The other cool thing they sent me, and it's more expensive than the cheaper ones you can get on Amazon. This is their tempered glass. I'll include me installing it onto my iPhone. It just feels like it's thicker. It's a little more heavy duty than the standard ones, and it seems to last longer than the other ones I've used. It says 9H hardness, 10,000 cycles. I don't know what that means. Fortified edge protection. It's case friendly. It works great with this iPhone cases. So anyway, love Loopy, love these cases. Check them out if you haven't already. You won't be disappointed. Any comments, questions, put them down below. Thanks as always for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.